Hello guys, welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's show. Alright, so the match will play against Villarreal don't end. So I think I don't do in press conference. So make I tell you what's in I talk with strike me before we can talk about the match proper. Now they go dey ask Arteta for press conference about Victor Gyökeres whether im go dey ready for Manchester United. So Arteta conference confirm say the guy no really train much when he join us, like maybe 1 week ago thereabouts. He never really train much, you get say, but im go dey 100% ready for Manchester United. Say that one na shola, you get. So as Arteta talk am, me and I'm no man. I know say the more training go do, you get, go dey improve as each day goes on, and by the time we go play Atletico Bilbao from there, you go understand the new teammates and the new style wey Arteta wan play go enter body, you get. So me I don see am. Now I'm gonna talk about the match gone, you get, wey Villarreal knock us 3-2. Now if you remember in the morning, if you listen to the morning show, I said something. I say this match we wan play, even if we lose or we draw, people na no overreact. It is still pre-season. You get, we are trying different things, you get, because I don't react. Yet we lose, come and see reaction. Come and see reaction. Some people enter my DM say CHUKS na flop we sign. Say okay, it's not flop. You get. Some say we supposed to go sign Benjamin Sesko. Different things, like different reaction. I don't understand. Some say they vex. Some say if you go check Twitter now, Arsenal the trend, but not the normal Arsenal spelling. Arsenal now the trend on Twitter. As in, the negativity is mad. It's crazy. Now let's come back to the game. For this match, I saw some things wey strike me. Now, when you check the lineup where Arteta first used, Gyökeres don't really do much for this game. And about the 60 minutes when he played, he don't really do much. At some point, he can guys go Martinelli wing, so then go from there wide shots. Yes, he didn't really do much. Why? Because we they used to playing from the wings, anything wing. Yes. So I was expecting Odegaard to actually start, make I see the combination of Odegaard and Victor Gyökeres, but I never saw it. Now, one of the experiments why they always mention, say, I want to see. No, they might make it on the left. So that one self, na good thing. I know say Arteta go experiment them. I saw it. Martinelli had enough space to enjoy pace, but the square play, they come to the targets. Like, they really try their best, but then lose, then lose, get. Bukayo Saka no know the game. And don't be say Villarreal gang Makan. So I don't really know what's going on. Get. Saka no really the game. Now, another thing I don't talk before when they buy Christian. No guy, say that guy now really a day gets. That guy is a goal threat when it comes to set pieces. You see the corner kick way himself, put inside himself. So are they happy for him? Max Doma, they continue to endear himself for our hearts because he did fantastically well in this particular game. I really they happy for that young man. Yes, because Arteta have said some glowing things about him. So when you look this man, if you check the Arsenal website, you will see and there they did their own reports that say Villarreal already beat us 3-2. Odegaard score penalty for the game, so Villarreal don't beat us for that one. Now they're going to talk about what is next. So the next thing, the next match we will play against, we are going to play against Atletico Bilbao. After Atletico Bilbao, then we'll go to the Theatre of Dreams. We'll play against Manchester United. So now the way it be. Now for this same match, when you watch the match, we see our set piece routine. We are still experimenting the set piece routine. We say we'll drop like 5 people for the box 18 there. So people will see they check how they counter this new style where Arsenal just bring in. Now away from that, for the press conference, Arteta when they talk about Max Doma, say Max Doma go holiday. Say he need to go on vacation in the coming days because since when they play for the under 21, under this one, under that one, the guys never really rest. You get, they all draft and enter the travel, they travel from La Manga, they go Singapore, this one from Hong Kong. So he never really rest. So he need a rest, take a break. Then after 1 week, then he go come back. Now waiting Arteta talk for the Max Doma. All the journalists, everybody just talk about Max Doma. I think Kilo Day will see happen. Yes. Now, away from that, so they're going to ask Arteta generally about this preseason. You get whether we dey ready for the new season. So Arteta can explain, say yes, say this preseason it will really help us to prepare for the season. In fact, they can't even they ask Arteta, say after this friendly match, when they play like this, you get another one where una go play, maybe after the Atletico Bilbao game, maybe indoor. Get another one I go play. I think that's what you confirm. Say for now, no, they don't get any other friendly way they go play after this Atletico Bilbao. Then the remaining 7 days now preparations ahead of this Manchester United match. Now, me for my head, I don't know what I think the plan though, but me when they calculate say the match we go play against Atletico Bilbao. Now 7 days away from the match we go play against Manchester United. Use your first 11 way you use play against Man U. Use them against Atletico Bilbao. I want to see the normal lineup, but for this preseason, we never use our normal first 11 yet. So this is the last match before Man U. Use your first 11. I want to see Gabriel Magalhaes. I want to see Saliba, 2 of them for the back. I want to see either Ben White and Skelly or Timber Skelly. That's what I want to see. For the midfield, I want to see Zubimendi, Rice, Odegaard, because this is what we say, no guard the start. Now, no guard will play ahead of Zubimendi. If that be the case, fine. I don't get issue because no guard already understands the league. You get? So if that be the case, I want to see Nogard, Rice, Odegaard starting. Then I want to see Martinelli, Gyökeres, and Bukayo Saka. We will see whether we will see the synergy. Because all these tests where they test, you are testing it on players that are not going to be the first 11. So when are we going to see the first 11? Now, what if else they enter my head with that? So I'm hoping, if assuming all things being equal, nobody get injury again. You get, we can tell another talk and say, even talking today for the press conference, say Magalhaes, Simba, they are all going to be okay and ready for this new league. Oh, one play, because for the press conference, I watched the video. I watch everything. In fact, why the show come there? We say, I they wait for the press conference or the transcripts. Transcripts, as of the time when they record this video, they never post them on the Arsenal website, so I had to go and watch the video. You get called a jots down since we attended the talk. So Baba confirm say yes, Gyökeres never trained much. He talk about the press conference. That is why it is the thumbnail of the video. Say no really train much, but he go dey ready for the match we won't play. That one na key. Now, you can't get another thing when they talk about Kai Havertz. Why Kai Havertz not participate today? Kai Havertz something doing. He felt something in training yesterday, but he should be available for the Premier League opener versus Manchester United. Now, not just Kai Havertz, even Ricardo Calafiori said that one said no involved. You get. So we hope say by the time we won't play Man U, all these people go down there available. Now they can't even they ask Arteta on Noni Madueke. Ask and say this Noni Madueke today. Now Arteta test for the lefts, like I told you. That is an experiment I wanted to see. So they can say, is that going to be the plan for next season? Say you won't play him on the left. Arteta can confirm say no. He go play both sides. You get based on the quality we he gets. So when it be, sometimes if you see I'm saying maybe start ahead of Martinelli. Sometimes if he no starts, then if he go for the other side to cover Bukayo Saka. So as long as the guy dey versatile, he go play plenty. You get he go play. Just be like Timber. You get if he play across the back line. So this guy go play a whole lot. So expect that to happen. I think I don't confirm him. Now, based on Gyökeres, Gyökeres not really enjoy today's game because they don't really feed them. You get because we were playing so much on the wings. Now, look at Fabrizio Romano. You see this Gyökeres and a soft target in B. Fabrizio Romano, Arsenal lost the friendly match against Villarreal. No goal for Gyökeres on his first start. Now, nobody Fabrizio Romano. For social media, our enemies, our rivals, everybody they banter Gyökeres. Victor Gyökeres has been taken off after 90 minutes, another game with no goals. Make I no lie for you. You see this next season, they will count down for Gyökeres every match. Gyökeres don't score for this one, no. He not score for this one, no. He not give assist for this one, no. They will count our rivals. They will count down for him, and that's just the truth. But the thing is, say Arsenal fans self. They go follow the rivals. They abuse their own player. Imagine somebody coming to my DM and telling me we sign the flop. after the morning, why 1 in the morning? Sometimes I sit down and see some things, and some people feel like playing Yoroko if you don't see it. I saw this coming. I don't say if we lose, no go overreact. Now testing time, testing microphone. Now testing microphone time we did. It just feel like you want to predict, say, but God forbid, I don't know that will happen. Say if Manchester United mistakenly go beat us on the opening day, everywhere go cash fire. Everywhere go mad, but God forbid, yeah. I know they pray for that one. Me, I still believe, say, once our first level don't complete, so they can do everybody day. You go see free flowing football. Gets. So that's why I talk, say, this match we want to play with Atletico Bilbao. Let us see our first level. We could feel them, we could test them, we could see what they saw, how they go. Get now what me I want to see. Now, away from that, in case you know they are aware, I say make I let you know, say that we Nunes, he don't completely move to Al Hilal for about 53 million euros finally. Get. So at least Liverpool don't sell their striker. So themselves will they look forward. So okay, what did they happen to Isaac? Now what's we call it here now? They say according to Fabrizio Romano, say Liverpool now the level where they dey. Liverpool now the level where they dey. Say if they don't fit sign Isaac, they go try to get this Bradley Barcola. Now what will they say? Worst come to worst, say maybe Newcastle no going to sell. They'll go for Barcola. Now what is them they think he gets? Then at the same time, Newcastle don't tell Isaac go train alone. You get, because they know they're happy with the things when you do. You get. Fine, it's not a crime that you want to do, but don't come and be doing mago what they try to do, what they force yourself. Yes, you won't tolerate it. So when you train alone for now, I don't know how long that one will last, but I would see that happen. Even Ben Jacobs said, put man for the matter, say Isaac has been told to train alone in a move driven by the how as a call. So the how backing up words with action. You know, you have talk and say no will tolerate nonsense. So you know if you just going to go resources that going to train there, tell us say you get injury. All of a sudden they can't come back to England. The country say we just accept you with our hands wide open. No, now you guys take some punishment. So Isaac still they push to leave. You get. So now you got to say now one of two things that will happen. It is either Isaac go or he extend the contract. There will be no middle ground. So and Newcastle no let them go until they get a suitable replacement. Now just the way it be. Because from the look of things now, they've lost the race to sign Manchester United. Even I was watching Talk Sports, people like Darren Bent and Gabi Agbonla, they say Newcastle does not have that appeal. Even though they're the championship, Man U the champions go, Man U is Man U, based on that pedigree. You get based on history. So people go always choose Man U ahead of Newcastle. Now we say you don't have any players that reject Newcastle this season. People they pity for them, God said like myself, they pity for them. Now I saw this nonsensical news. I'm not supposed to show now, but why are they showing now? People see the dangers of news. Some kind of sources. This is Football 365. Real Madrid agree Arsenal swap deal after Eze is told Gunners move is not good for him. I'm not concerned about Eze in this report. You could look what they talk about Saliba. Real Madrid have agreed to swap Brazilian winger Rodrigo for Arsenal centre back William Saliba with the Gunners this summer, according to reports. Which report? Which report? Tell you say Real Madrid agree. Say they go give us Rodrigo, go give them Saliba. Which report? These are the dangers. Some people now go carry this news, run with them. Hook, line, and sinker. Go Jebi Indomie, chopper. But this thing, there is no atom of truth there. As I make a see show now, some type of news where they see every day when they do research, but we just throw them for corner because we are not seeing a lie. Now, Fabrizio Romano can't confirm again, say Arsenal and Crystal Palace still they discuss so on the very Tuesday. Arsenal never forget the deal. Maybe go to say maybe around come up body. Arsenal never forget say they still put mind there. Get now away from that. So only you say Newcastle, based on say they don't lose the race for Benjamin Sesko. Now they are considering a move for Nico Jackson of Chelsea, which is quite sad. Get so the Telegraph now they talk about Fabrizio Romano himself repost them. So don't just they see because it will be quite unfortunate. Newcastle they don't fall like a pack of cards if Isaac leaves. Chena Nico Jackson now won't do it. Isaac leaves. All right, let's begin message from Moby World Associates and Co-Limited, IT Construction Services, Dredging, Canalization, Real Estate, Ansure Protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80646422 34, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So, my dear Arsenal lovers, the biggest news of the night. In fact, see, Ateta they confirm. Say Victor Gyökeres go dey 100% ready for Manchester United. Say, forget what they have for preseason. The guy never really trained much. Get so, but by the time we will play that day 17, get Baba go dey 100% ready, and we will play with our first 11 complete. So, with that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. That come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now, good night. And I'll get out. All right, guys. Ciao.